Hi, I am Krishna Prasad Gangaraju. Now I am going to explain third model graph. What is third model? Already two graphs are explained. One graph is intersecting lines, second graph is coincident lines. This is third graph, parallel lines. Okay, this question is example question. This question is not in textbook. Okay, so x minus y is equal to 2 and y is equal to x plus 5. So before going to this, I have to write the given equation in standard form. This is first equation, x minus y is equal to 2. What is standard equation? That is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. See this equation? Here constant is on right side, but in general equation constant is on left side. So we have to convert this, we have to change this 2 to left side. Here 2 is in right side, so I have to write in 2 in left side. So x minus y minus 2 is equal to 0. So this 2 is coming left side. So comparing this equation, comparing this equation with a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. So here a1 is equal to nothing means 1, b1 is equal to minus 1, c1 is equal to minus 2. So compare these values. So here y is y, b1 means minus 1, c constant, c1 means minus 2. In the same way, second equation, y is equal to x plus 5, x plus 5. So in general equation, first x, next y, next constant, after that is equal to 0. Here x is on right side, so I am taking these two in left side. So x plus 5 is equal to y. So now I am taking y to left side. X minus y plus 5 is equal to 0, because here plus symbol is there. If it comes to left side means minus symbol will be there. Okay. Again you have to write comparing this equation with a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Here a2 is equal to 1, b2 is equal to minus 1, c2 is equal to 5. So consider a1 by a2. Consider a1 by a2. What is the value of a1? 1. What is the value of a2? Also 1. So after cancellation, nothing is there, means in denominator 1 is there, means we can write simply 1. In denominator 1 no value, means the value will not change. So this is 1. Second one, consider b1 by b2. What is the value of b1? Minus 1. What is the value of b2? Minus 1. Again cancel, 1 is there. So this is 2, second equation. Consider c1 by c2. What is the value of c1? Minus 2. c2 value 5. So here no cancellation. So simply like this. So this is 3. So from 1, 2 and 3, what we can say? These two are equal. Here 1, here 1. So a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. This value is equal to third equation? No, here minus 2 by 5 is there. Only these two are equal. This is not equal. Not equal. C1 by C2. This means these two lines are parallel lines. These two lines are, the lines will come like this, parallel. That means it has no solution for it. So these equations are called inconsistent. If solution is there, they are called consistent. If no solution, they are called inconsistent. So I will write like this. That is, these lines are parallel lines. It has no solution. These equations are inconsistent. Okay. After that, I will draw the table to draw the graph. So now I am going to draw the table. So equation is x minus y is equal to 2. Already you know very well, y is on left side, remaining are right side. Okay. Here for y minus symbol is there. So I am taking this minus y to that side. That is x is equal to 2 plus y, minus y to right side means plus y. So again right side value I am writing to left side. 2 plus y is equal to x, y is equal to x minus 2, plus 2 minus 2. So for this I will write this table. So remember one thing, to draw this straight line, minimum points 2 is enough. If 2 points are there, we can draw straight line very easily. For the sake of this question, I will to take at least 4 points, 4 or 5. So if it is not possible, then we will adjust with the 2 points also. Generally we are taking 4 points or 5 points. Okay. So this is the equation. Y is equal to x minus 2 so x values minus 3, minus 1, 0, 2, 4. We can take any values. Next y, what is here? X is there already here, minus 2. So simply write minus 2. So by adding these two, y will come. Y is equal to x minus 2. Y value means x minus 2. So here x values minus 3, minus 1, 0, 2, 4 I am taking. Otherwise write this equation x so x values are, x means same values, minus 3, minus 1, 0, 2, 4. What is the value of minus 3? Minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. So simply y means x minus 2. So these values, here same signs, we have to add them. 5 will be there. What 5? Minus 5. Here minus 3, minus 2, plus 2 minus 2, 0, plus 4 minus 2. plus 4 minus 2 4. So order pairs are -3 comma -5 -1 comma -3. Next 0 comma -2 2 comma y value 0 x value 4 y value 2. So already you know very well, first value is x value, second value is y value. So x value y value, x value y value, x value y value. So like this I am writing. So for first equation the points will come. For second equation, y is equal to x plus 5. Already in this form is there, because to write the table, what is the equation model shape? Y is on left side, remaining on right side. Here same like this. So I am simply writing this equation, y is equal to x plus 5 x value. What are the x values? We can take any type of values. Take these values only. -3, -1, 0, 2, 4. So these are the x values. Next, what is here? X, after that 5, after that by adding these two means y is equal to x plus 5. Y is equal to x plus 5. So these are the x means these values only. -3, -1, 0, 2, 4, 5. 5 is a constant. You have to write that 5 only. 5, 5, 5. So what is the value of y? Means x plus 5. So we have to add these two. If the symbols are different, then we will subtract. If the symbols are same, then we can add. Here different symbols, so subtraction, bigger number sign. Different signs, subtraction, bigger number sign. Here 0, so 5 is same signs, addition, same signs, addition. So order pairs. What are the order pairs? X value -3, y value 2, x value -1, y value 4, x value 0, y value 5, x value 2, y value 7, x value 4, y value 9. So these are the order pairs. So now I am going to draw this graph. So this is y axis, this is x axis. Already you know very well, this is origin. You have to put arrow mark like this, x towards left side. This is also x dash, this is y dash. So here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. Left side minus values, -2, -3, -4, -5 like this. Y values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 like this. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8 like this. So this is the graph paper. In your graph paper, this small lines will be there. Okay. So first I have to plot these points. First point is -3, -5. Here I am taking scale 1 because on y-axis highest value is -5. Here -5. Here 5, 9. 9 is highest value. So generally on y-axis 11 lines will be available to you from the middle. So 9 is our within limits. So the scale is scale on x axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit, on y axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. So same. So that's why I am writing 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 like this. So first point -3 comma -5. Here -3 line is like this. No need to draw line in graph paper U. So already line is there to you. Okay. So what is the y value? -5. -5. So -5 means here. So this is -3 comma -5. Second point -1 comma -3. This is -1 line, -3 line. So this is our point -1 comma -3. Third point 0 comma -2. 0 means this line, -2 means this one. So this is 0 comma -2. Fourth point 2 comma 0. This is 2. This is 2 line. 0 lines means this one. So 2 comma 0. Last point 4 comma 2. This is 4. 2 is this one. So this point is called 4 comma 2. So take scale, join all these points. You have to take scale, join all these points like this. Okay. Here this is rough diagram. So line is coming like this. If you are taking these points in order, straight line will come. Guaranteed straight line will come. So all these points you can join with scale. So you can extend this line also. So what is this equation? This line equation? X minus y is equal to 2. So this is the equation of this line. Second equation -3 comma 2. This is -3. 2 means here. So -3 2. So this is our point -3 comma 2. Second point -1 comma 4. This is -1 4. -1 comma 4. Third one 0 comma 5. This is 0, 5 is this one. 0 comma 5. Fourth one 2 comma 7. This is 2 line. This is 7. So this is 2 comma 7. And last point 4 comma 9. This is 4. 9 is this one. This is 4 comma 9. So you can take scale, join these points. సో ఈ స్కేల్ కనుక మీకు అడ్డుంటే దీన్ని కొంచెం సపరేట్గా దూరంగా ఇక్కడైనా రాసుకోవచ్చు. యూ కెన్ రైట్ ఎనీవేర్, లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ ఆర్ రైట్ సైడ్. ఓకే, టేక్ స్కేల్, జాయిన్ ఆల్ దీస్ పాయింట్స్. So put arrow mark, here also arrow mark. What is this equation? You have to write that equation. Y is equal to x plus 5. See these two lines, how it is there? This line is parallel to this line. ఇంక మనం ఎంత దూరం డ్రా చేసినా కూడా ఇవి ఇంటర్సెక్ట్ కావు, ఎందుకని ఇది ఇలా వెళ్తూనే ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి దీనికి సొల్యూషన్ లేదు. సో ఇక్కడ ఏం రాస్తాము, ఈ టేబుల్ అంతా అయిపోయిన తర్వాత ఫ్రమ్ the graph these lines are parallel lines, so no solution, these are inconsistent. Okay. So this is the third model graph. With this, all models are over. What is the first model? Intersecting lines. Second model, coincident lines. Third one, parallel lines. Any question, the lines will be like this only. So with this, the graph section is over. Guarantee 4 marks question will come to you. 4 marks question guarantee, 99% 4 marks question will be there. If it is easy for you this chapter, you can do this one. Otherwise, that polynomial graph is there. Either that one or this one. Guarantee 4 marks question. So practice carefully. So if you like my teaching, then subscribe the channel, write the comment, and also share to your friends. Okay. Thank you for watching.